Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? Cardano is pumps up or not, my brother? This is the main thing, my friend, which is very important for all of you to understand because, my brother, especially some holder, my friend, when see a very bad fails, so definitely they will starting selling. They cannot, my friends, get a profit. So absolutely, everybody, if you cannot, my friends, get a profit, so you also, my friend, starting selling. So therefore, my friends, can really Cardano will not give you a profit? No, my friend, this is absolutely 100% right. Not because, my brother, Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrency and people are press this coin indefinitely. People are invest now more and more. And definitely, my friends, expert says to if you have any plan to invest in any cryptocurrency, so first of all, you would need, my friends, to research personally, and after that, my friends, check out what expert says and what's, my friend, the CEO says. Absolutely, if a coin will trustful now, so now invest. Otherwise, you have never need, my friends, to invest now. So because, my brother, every coin will pumps up for some time. After that they were fades down. So therefore, because holders, my friend, if they are if you, my friend, some coins are very good for short time and some coins are very good from long time investment. So therefore, if you invest for a short time, so definitely when a holder are starting selling, so definitely the coin will fades down. So therefore, does not mean to this coin is not good. So try to understand, my friends, to if Cardano or fails down in this time. So does not mean, my friends, to Cardano is bad coin. They cannot give you a profit. I am 100% sure, my friends, to Cardano is very good coin, and I hope they will give you a profit. So why you miss this chance? Please, if you want to get a profit now, you will need to take a risk and get a profit. This time, my friend, you can see here the graph for volume, everything is going 100% be positive. Otherwise, my friend, just only you can see here the price will fails down for a short time. But I hope, my friend, you can see here the candle is going to be green now. So I hope, my friends, the price will be increased now. Let's see, my friends, to what's the latest update and what's, my friends, the expert says about Cardano in this time. Can really the price will pumps up or not? Minus 0.11%, my friend. You can see here the price is decreased now in this time in last 24 hour, my friend. It's a very bad, but I hope, my friends, they will recover it now. So, my friend, you can see here is something very important for a Cardano holder. Just in only 32 minutes ago, my friend, you can see here in this first one. So you can see here, my friends, you can see here what this says to degenerates NFT digital collectible launches supported by music legends such as Carl Cox, Paul Oakenfold, Paul Valley, Deck, Benny Benassi, Seven. You can see, my friend, they will something of the it's mean, my friends, so they will collaborate now. So NFT, absolutely everybody know this, my friend. To this time, everything is on the trending, but NFT, if you have invest, my friend, in this time, so definitely they will get a profit because they are collaborate with a lot of companies. And something I listen, my friend, like that to coming term, there is a chance to Cardano will collaborate, my friend, with Amazon. So definitely it's a very huge profitable time, my friend. So kindly don't miss this chance, my brother. And you can see, my friend, just in only 42 minutes ago, S&P Dow Jones bring Bitcoin, Ethereum to wall set with cryptocurrency index. The new index is S&P Bitcoin Index, S&P Ethereum Index, and S&P Crypto Mega Cap Index will measure the performance of a digital asset tied to them on moneycontrol.com. My friend, if you check out more details about this, so now check out moneycontrol.com. Absolutely, they will give you something very special information. Please research personally before you have any plan to invest now. So, my brothers, that's mean, my friends, to Cardano team is going to collaborate, my friend, with some companies. But I hope, my friend, if they will collaborate, so that's 100% sure, my friends, to the price will increase now. You can see, my friend, the price. You can see here the volume. Absolutely, everything is going positive now. But just only, my friend, you can see here the volume very badly falls down. You can see here from 2.053 USD dollar very badly, but the highest you can see here 2.2 USD dollar. So that's a very good now. I hope, my friends, they will again hit now 3 USD dollar, but if they will get a 10% profit. So let's see holder to what's going on next. But please, before, if you have any plan, my friends, to so or earn money in the craft, to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.